In this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can easily delete blank rows in Microsoft Excel. For your easy visualization, we marked our blank rows in yellow colors, so you can see easily. Now we are going to delete this blank row. For this, you just need to enter F5 of your keyboard. It will pop up a window which is go to. Then you have an option which is special. Click there. And there is an option which is blanks. Check in and click OK. Now you can see that blank rows are selected. Now what you need to do, you need to delete this. For this, you just need to enter Ctrl and minus button of your keyboard. Then it will pop up another window which is delete window. And now you need to select shift cell up because you want to get the fillings with the existing down cells. So we are selecting shift cells up. Then click OK. Look, our blank rows has been gone. This is how you can easily remove blank rows from Microsoft Excel. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.